Okay, so we're going to explain today is, what is a toenail problem, why you have it, and we're going to actually tell you how we do it too.
Okay.
All right, good enough? All right. So, first of all, the toenail sits on the end of your toe. So I'm going to draw out a little bit on the end of the toe. This is the end of your toe. Right here, there's like two different bones that sit at the end of the toe. Okay? And the nail sits right on top of this. So the cells that make the nail sit right on top of this, and they're anchored on bone, and then they make a nail. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So these cells here are called the matrix cell layer. So this is matrix. Okay. This here is bone, right?
Okay.
This here called the nail bed. This is the nail plate. Okay? And this is the edge of the toe right here. Good enough?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is normal.
Okay.
What you have is the following. I'm exaggerating a little bit so as I can show better, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then what you have here is a very big, thick nail.
Right. Mm-hmm.
All right? So there's a big nail here, a spur under here forming, and those are the cells that are making all this. Got it so far? That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we saw in the x-ray, right?
Right.
Okay. So for us to do this, what we need to do is we need to go under the nail, above the nail, remove the nail plate.
Mm-hmm.
All right? Once we do that, then the cells are seen. At that point, once we see the cells, we remove the cells and also come here and do like a fish mouth incision, take this out. I'm going to show you that. So if you look at this from the top, I'm looking at it from the top, this is a normal nail. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And what you don't see of the nail is all the way around here, all the way inside there, right? And there's the bone right inside here.
Okay.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
All right? Now, what you have is a nail that's like sideways, number one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's growing like this. And then there's the tip of the toe right here. There's your knuckle. And there's the actual spur right on top of here, right here. Okay, like that.
Okay.
So we'll go under, above, we remove this, all right? Now the cells are sitting here, they're sitting all the way across here, okay? And we just will remove those. If you look at my finger, you see that white stuff?
Right.
Those are the cells that I'm talking about.
Okay.
They're a little
Gotcha.
bit whitish in color.
Mm-hmm.
This is the nail plate. Underneath is the nail bed. That's the pinkish stuff. Okay?
Gotcha.
All right. So now once we're inside here, we remove this, we remove this, we remove this. We got all that done. Then we go here at the tip. And what we do at the tip, if I'm looking at it straight up, this is normal.
Okay.
This is normal bone, okay? What you have is and the bone have like a big spur
Okay.
on top of it. So for me to reach down to the spur, once I remove this nail plate, I have to do what we call a fish mouth incision. Just like that. We go down here, we remove the skin out of there, then we remove all this spur out of there. So all this spur will be gone.
Okay.
Okay, once I do that, then I put this together, I put this together with stitches that are absorbable so as we don't have to remove them later, and then we close things up.
Gotcha.
Do you understand all this?
Yes, sir.
Now do you see all these pictures?
Oh, yeah.
Now does it make sense?
A lot more, okay, than what it did. I
All right.
appreciate that.
Sounds wonderful. So I'm going to sign